guys, this is Anandi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and staying safe. First of all, I'm so sorry for the weird angle and the lighting, but suddenly ये idea मेरे दिमाग में आया, like while I was going out, and I texted my friend like, can you please give me the things, like the title, like I've asked her to send me a few pictures or maybe in writing about the things which girls do which boys secretly like, and I've done a similar sort of a video before and people did like it, like at least the ones I know. Obviously I'm not a huge or a big YouTuber, like the ones I know, they did like it, so I wanted to do it. And she was like so into it that she sent me the pictures in just like 15 to 20 minutes, and I've just come back and it's around 7:30 p.m. and I am just shooting this video. Well, that's all for the background, but without any further ado, let's get started. The first picture is basically like it's going to be displayed on the screen somewhere. So the first picture is basically when you're with your boyfriend and the girl is like, you actually have seen this, even I know my friends, they kind of take their girlfriends on like a date for a horror movie and they feel the girls are going to be scared. I mean, that surprise is something, it actually, I don't think they get very scared, but like they get shocked, like that's what happens with me. And I get it, the boys want to be like very protective, so I understand where you people are coming from. And if the girl is actually kind of even there are times when girls pretend to be scared if they are into you. So I know that, because if suppose I'm with a guy and I am not usually very scared by ghosts and everything, but I do get surprised and like kind of shocked when it appears on the screen like suddenly. And that's the thing, and sometimes I may overreact very subtly so that the guy doesn't understand. And so you get my point, right? This is something guys like, and this is something girls sometimes do deliberately. I'm so sorry girls for putting it out, but there are times I know you people do it deliberately. I have seen it among my friends. I know that's very true. I might do it too if I get a guy like that. So obviously I know where you come from, guys. This is brushing back your hair. Like, I know, cute, I get it, cute. And you know what's more cute, let me tell you, this is from a girl's perspective, when you're face to face, you're talking to the guy and your hair is falling on, maybe when you're eating, and locks samne aa rahe, and the guy just puts it behind your ear, and it's so romantic, and it's such a small thing, but it's so cute and I really like it. And I know when girls like sometimes put their hairs behind their ears, it looks good, but obviously not all the time, because I know girls do touch their hair when they are in front of the guys they like. At times they do, but mostly it's very normal. Girls do it randomly as well. I do it randomly, not to show it to some guy, but it's cute. And when guys do that to the girls they like, very cute. Also, if you do it for your best friends, then it's not cute, guys. That's not helping literally not helping per se, but that's really not cute. If you're doing it for the girl you like, for your girlfriend, that's cute. Okay, this picture is very weird, but I feel what you want to say is that when girls kind of play with their hair, very similar to the previous one, yeah, it's cute. Even when guys play with their hair, like not all the time you'll go on like this, no, sometimes when guys do that, girls like it too, so it's vice versa. Well, I get it, but this picture, it just doesn't justify what is being tried to kind of conveyed. It doesn't justify it, but okay, I know. Guys, do comment once again what's with the pictures. But this is biting the lips. Like sometimes when you are in that kind of different mood, like romantic mood and all, biting lips, obviously. But randomly if a girl bites her lips, I mean, I think they have some problem with the lips, like they are feeling something, or at least not like this. Like sometimes in those situations, like when you're about to kiss or something like that, that's when this works, but randomly, nope. Is a Korean girl and it's like a gummy smile. So basically a gummy smile, like basically I think it shows kind of chubby cheeks and like, you know, small eyes, and that's very cute. Like I personally like it, even if the guy has a gummy smile. I really like it. Like it just shows basically, you know, when somebody smiles at you, like a genuine, not a fake smile. That's very cute, obviously. And obviously this picture itself is so cute, and if somebody looks like that and has that gummy smile and all, very cute. But overall, somebody smiling at you genuinely, and especially if the person likes you. Short girl problems. Well, I have never faced it myself because I'm 5'5", like a bit above 5'5", and like, yeah, guys have helped me, but like I'm of that average height, and I didn't really have to be like, you know, just help me with it. No, I can do it myself. So, but I know, but you know, tall guys want short girls, short guys obviously want short girls. Like, what about us? I'm not even that tall. I'm just 5'5", 5'6", and still I'm of that average height, but still. But obviously this is very cute. Like I look, height difference is genuinely very cute. Like I really like it. There are times I wish I was a lot shorter than what I am, like maybe 5'1", and then my friend, the friend who actually sent me these pictures, she herself is 5'1", and she is like, you know, I wish I was your height, and I'm like, I wish I was yours height. But then okay, but this is cute. Like even when I look at it, like, you know, those reels which are like actual height difference, I mean, that's when I feel like I should have been a lot shorter than what I am. But okay, not complaining. I'm okay with it. I feel superior. Last but not the least, it's tying their hair like into a pony. So obviously when you're working, this is something which I feel, okay, listen, this is a scenario which I feel it's there in, look, you know, when the guy is going to fall in love with the girl, that scene I imagine, like fantasize maybe, when the girl is like kind of working and her hair is open and she's like, you know, getting irritated or frustrated, and she just ties her hair, and that scene, you get my point. I hope you do, come on. So that's when it looks so hot, right? Tying your hair in a pony, tying your hair in a bun, that's when it looks so hot. And I feel that's what the guys like. Just guys tell me whether I'm right or wrong. And with this, we come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye. I'm going to come up with new videos soon, if possible. If not, I'm always active on Shorts. Go and watch it. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.